Good morning, everybody. Today discuss chapter 10. Name is circles. You also discussed this chapter in previous class, means ninth. What is circle and radius, center, chords, and others. Also definitions. So here only remind what is circle. Circle is a collection of all points in a plane which are at a constant distance from a fixed point, means collection of all points constant distance on fixed point. This is the fixed point. So here constant distance is called a radius and fixed point called center. Tangent to a circle. So definition is, a tangent to a circle is a line that intersect the circle at only one point. So this is tangent. So this is intersect only point, one point here A. Secant of a circle. A secant of a circle is a line which intersect the circle at 2 points. So this line intersect 2 points P and Q. So this is secant. Some notes. The word tangent comes from the Latin word tanger. This means to touch and was introduced by the Danish mathematician Thomas Finneck in 1583. Second is, there is only one tangent draw at a point of the circle. Next is, the tangent at any point of a circle is perpendicular to the radius through point on contact. Yani if draw the radius, this radius on the intersecting point in touching point, so this is the perpendicular, and this perpendicular sometimes called the normal. Again, this is exercise 10.1. So here, how many tangent can a circle have? Here, how many tangents can a circle, means circle. So here a circle can have infinitely tangent, because here this question asks, if this question asks the how many tangent have a not circle at point. So the answer is only one tangent can draw the at a point. Fill in the blanks. A tangent to a circle intersect it is 1 point. So answer is 1 point. A line intersecting a circle is 2 point is called a secant. This is definition also learn secant. And a circle can have parallel tangent at the most only two, because if draw a circle here, this is circle, only two tangent, this is tangent and this is tangent, this is the parallel tangent. If we draw here this point, this is not parallel to this tangent. So answer is 2, only two tangent. The common point of the tangent to a circle and the circle is called point of contact or touching point. Third is, a tangent PQ at a point P of circle, and here at a point P on the circle PQ is a tangent of a circle, radius 5 centimeter, meet a line through the center O at a point Q. A line meet a center O at point Q, this line, so that OQ is 12 centimeter. Here OQ 12 centimeter. Find the length of PQ is, what is the length of PQ? So we will draw a we will draw a circle. This is center and this is the PQ is a tangent. The radius is 5 centimeter and this line OQ is 12 centimeter. So we know that the line draw from the center of a circle to the tangent is perpendicular to the tangent. This is the theorem. 10.1 theorem also learn you, and proving also in the book. This proof is simply proof, because you take the point exterior point of the circle, so the length of this exterior point to center is always greater than of the this length, because this point is on the circle and other point exterior point of the circle. So all distance of the greater than this distance, so this is the perpendicular distance. So here OP is 5 centimeter and OP is 5 centimeter, OQ is 12 centimeter, and PQ will be find. So using the Pythagoras theorem in triangle OPQ, using the Pythagoras theorem. What is the Pythagoras theorem? Pythagoras theorem is a hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. So here the hypotenuse is OQ and perpendicular is OP and base is PQ. So OQ square is equal to, here OQ square is equal to OP square plus PQ square. OP is given 12, so 12 square, and OP is 5, so 5 square, this is PQ square. Here given this is OP is 5 centimeter, OQ is 12 centimeter, find the PQ here. So here, so square of 12 is 144, square of 5 is 25 plus PQ square. Imply that 144 minus 25 is equal to PQ square. So what is the difference? This value is 119, because here take the 14 minus 5 is 9, and this is 3 minus 2 is 1, and this is 1. This is PQ square. So square root of 119 is equal to PQ. So answer PQ is equal to 119. So 119 square root centimeter. So this is answer. So take the option is, correct option is D. So next question is fourth question. Draw a circle and two lines parallel to a given line touch, so such that one is the tangent and another the second to the circle. So we will draw the circle with the help of geometry box, and any take any radius of according to you. This line is a tangent, touching point is R, and this is the second, the intersecting point, 2 point P and Q. Here AB and CD are two lines. Line AB is a intersecting line and CD is a tangent. This intersecting line intersected two points. AB is the second, it's intersect at point P and Q, and CD is the intersect the point, one point is R. So exercise 10.1 is complete your homework. uh, this question learn, and chapter also learn you. If any problem, so ask me. Thank you.